First statement. Today we are going to discuss about the first statement. The first statement in Python differs a bit, rather than only iterating over the step by step. Uh, that is the iterating over the step by step. It is the one of the main feature. And one more thing is second point is halting based on the condition. So and third position is third point is first statement iterates over the items of any sequence. That means by using the slicing also the we can do the we can run the Python file. Okay, now I am creating one for statement file for statement file Python file. So this Python file I am creating for the first statement example, and I clicked on new. Okay, let us start with. So let me write over here for more understandability. Just iterating for loop will be useful for iterating. Okay, and for loop is going to be useful based on the halting condition, and for loop is going to be useful for any sequence to be running over. Okay, so let us any sequence I'll write. Okay, any sequence. So this way, these are the 3 points that we are going to discuss today. And now I am starting with the for loop, and before that I will create one list. So in that list I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So these are the numbers that I would like to print. So basically these are numbers I'll print by using the normal for loop for n in numbers. Okay, colon, enter. So print, it's w. Okay, if I am printing this, print n. Okay, if I am running this particular example, let me do some edit configurations over here, so that for and so for statement, that's it. So if I can run for, see here, I have got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this is what I am expecting. And not only this, so I can run over the sequence also. That means if I want few only in this, for n in numbers, so see here, till 8 only I will give. Okay, till 8 only I will give. Okay, so print n. If I am giving, then what it will print, it will print only 0 to 8, not more than that. But I have I have 1 to 10 I have, but I am just telling the for loop to print only till 8, 0 to 8. See, this is called slicing concept. I think we have discussed this thing in we have discussed this thing in strings. Okay, and the same way, I don't know if I need to start from some specific numbers. Okay, like not from beginning. So 3 to till end I can go ahead. So 3 to till end means I can print. Okay, see, now, okay, sorry, this, there is a, I would like to show you in a bit different, a separation. Print 3 to till end. So this one you can see, print 0 to 8. Okay, so this one print all. Okay, so let me run and show it again, because it may give you some confusion to you. So see here, all means 1 to 10 it was got printed. 0 to 8, some from starting to 8 I have got. Okay, see, till 3 to till end, 3 to till end. This is the 4 5 6 7 8 9. It was got started and it was got printed. Okay, so now if I wanted to configure both with some specific number, I can do that one also. Okay, for n in numbers of 4 to 7 I will give. So it will print 5 6 7 8, 7 till 7 only. Okay, so now I am just giving this. This is not mandatory. For more understandability, I am just printing this thing. Okay, 4 to 7. That means 4 is not included. Okay, okay, see here, 5 6 7. Okay, got it. So these are the different types of slicing that I have used till now.